Hello students, I am Jayashree Miss. Today I am going to teach you the maths chapter number 2, exponents. Now before starting the exercise, we should know the rules of the exponents. First, a raised to n multiplied by a raised to n is equal to a raised to n plus n. Whenever there is a multiplication, base are equal, there is a addition of the power, the m plus n. There is multiplier. Then division, a raised to m upon a raised to n is equal to now a raised to m minus n. So whenever there is a division, there is a subtraction of the power, and provided if m is greater than n, then m minus n. Third one, a raised to m upon a raised to n is equal to 1 upon a raised to n minus m if n is more than greater than m. If n bigger रहेगा and m is small, then there is a subtraction will take place in denominator. So a raised to n minus m if n is greater than m. Fourth rule is a raised to m bracket n. Whenever there is a bracket, there is a power multiplication of this power mn. Multiplication of the power. Then fifth one, a raised to minus n. When there is a power negative power, so we should do the reciprocal and power that will become the positive. These are all the rules, and again anything raised to 0. Anything sixth one, anything raised to 0 is always 1, provided a is not equal to 0. Next, now move on to the exercise. First, number 1. Now 2a exercise. First, 2a. First, evaluate number 1, 3 raised to minus 1 multiplied by 9 raised to minus 1 divided by 3 raised to minus 2. Now here look, this is the negative power. So first of all we have to do the reciprocal. 3 raised 3 and 1 upon 9 divided by 1 upon 3 raised to 2. Whenever we do the reciprocal, the negative power that will become the positive. Here also negative minus 1, 1. This minus 2 plus 2. Now 1 ones are 1 upon 9 threes are 27. Division sign. 3 raised to 3. 3 raised to 2 means 3 threes are 9. Now it is a division sign, so you should do the reciprocal. 9 upon 1. Then cutting, 9 ones are 9 threes are. The answer is 1 upon 3. First sum, 1 upon 3. Next, second sum. Second sum, 3 raised to minus 1 multiplication, 4 raised to minus 1 division sign, 6 raised to minus 1. Now here also negative power, so then we have to do the reciprocal. Multiply by 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4. Division sign is 1 upon 6. Now 1 ones are 1, 3 fours are 12. Division sign 1 upon 6. Now division multiplication and do the reciprocal of the second number. 1 upon 12 multiplied by 6 upon 1. Cutting 6 ones are 6 twos are. The answer is 1 upon 2. This is the second sum. Next, third. Now third sum. Next, 2 raised to minus 1 plus 3 raised to minus 1 raised to 3. So this is the negative power. So first convert into positive. 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 raised to 3. Now reciprocal of 2 and 3 is 6, right? So here 3 plus 2 upon raised to 3. So 3 plus 2 5. 5 upon 6 raised to 3. So this is the 5 raised to 3 upon 6 raised to 3. तो 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125, and 6 into 6 into 6, 1216 is the answer. Third one. Now fourth sum. Fourth sum, 3 raised to minus 1 divided by 4 raised to minus 1 raised to 2. Now again this is 1 upon 3, division sign, 1 upon 4 raised to 2. Now this is division, so here the change into multiplication and then reciprocal of this number. So 1 upon 3 multiplied by 4 upon 1 raised to 2. So 4 upon 3 raised to 2 is equal to 16 upon 9. 16 upon 9 is an improper fraction. So convert into mixed fraction. 9 ones are 9, 7. 1, 7 upon 9 is the answer. Next, fifth sum, 2 raised to 2 plus 3 raised to 2 multiply by 1 upon 2 raised to 2. Now, 2 raised to 2, what is 2 raised to 2? 4. And 3 raised to 3, 3 3s are 9. Multiplication 1 upon 2 raised to 2, 4. 4 plus 9, 13 into 4 is 1 upon 4. So 13 upon 4, it is an improper fraction. So 4 3s are 12, 1. So 3 1 upon 4 is the answer. Fifth sum complete. Now sixth sum. 5 raised to 2 minus 3 raised to 2 multiplication 2 upon 3 raised to minus 3. Now 5 5s are 25, 3 3s are 9 multiplication. Now it is a negative power. So do the reciprocal and then it will become positive. 3 upon 2 raised to 3. 25 minus 9 is 16. Multiply by 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 upon 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Then cutting, after cutting that 8 1s are 8 2s are, is the answer is 27 2s are 54 is the answer. This is the sixth sum. Now seventh. 1 upon 4 raised to minus 3 minus 1 upon 3 raised to minus 3 division sign, 1 upon 6 raised to minus 3. Now negative power, this is also negative power and this is, so use the reciprocal of everything. 1 upon 4 का reciprocal है 4 raised to 3, 1 upon 3 का reciprocal है 3 raised to 3 and minus 3 will become plus 3 and here also minus 3 become 3 and division 1 upon 6 raised to 3. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 6 6 are 36, 36 3s are 6 are 216. Now a board mass, so first of all do the bracket solving. So 64 minus 27 is 37 upon 216 is the answer. There is no cutting. The next common factor is no. Next. Seventh sum, eighth sum. Minus 3 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4 raised to minus 2 raised to 2. Now this is a negative power. To do the reciprocal of this, right? So 4 upon minus 4 upon 3 raised to 2 raised to 2. Right? Now this is the minus 4 upon 3, 2 2s are 4. Now my 4 raised to 4 4 4 the 16, 16 4 the so this is will become 256 and upon 81. 3 raised to 4 is 81. Now minus minus that become positive because it is a even number. Now this is the improper fraction, so convert into mixed fraction. 81 3s are, then is 13 is the answer. 8 sum done. Next 9. Nine sum. 3 upon 5 raised to minus 2 raised to minus 2. Now this is a bracket. Whenever there is a bracket, there is a multiplication of this power. So first of all you do this 3 upon 5, 2 2s are 4 and minus minus become plus. So this is 4. Now 3 raised to 4 upon 5 raised to 4. So this is 81 upon 625. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 4 times. 3 multiplied by 3 3 3 4 times. So you will get the answer 81 upon 625. And whenever there is a bracket, there is multiplication of this power. And minus minus will become plus. 2 2s are 4. 9. Done. Now 10 sum. 5 raised to minus 1, multiplication 3 raised to minus 1, division sign 6 raised to minus 1. Now this is the negative power, so convert into first positive 5, 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 3 and division sign 1 upon 6. So 1 upon 5 3s are 15, division sign 1 upon 6. Again there is a division, so do the multiplication and reciprocal of this second number. Multiplication 6 upon 1. After cutting 2 3s are, 2 5s are. This is the 3 5s are, sorry. 3 2s are, 3 5s are, 2 upon 5 is the answer. Second question done. And now first question is done. Now second question. Second, if 1125 is equal to 3 raised to n into 5 raised to n. First of all, you have to do the prime factorization of this number 1125. 1125. Do the prime factorization. First of all, 3 3s are, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are, 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 6 and 3 5s are, 5 25s are, 5 5s are, 5 1s are. So what will be the answer here? 3 how many times 3? 3. So 3 raised to 2 and 5 1 2 3 times 5 raised to 3 is equal to 3 raised to n into 5 raised to n. So equalize this. So what will you get? N is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3 is the answer. Next. Third, find x. Find x if 9 multiplied by 3 raised to x is equal to 27 raised to 2x minus 3. Now first of all, you have to equalize the power. Power should be equal. Power and base should be equal, right? Now 3 किसका स्क्वायर है? 3 का 9 किसका स्क्वायर है? 3 का. तो 3 raised to 2 into 3 raised to x, right? And 27 is 3 raised to 3. 3 raised to 3, 2x minus 3. Done? Now this is multiplication, so power of plus over. So 3 raised to 2 plus x. And here there is a bracket, so there is a power of multiplication. 3 2s are 6x, 3 3s are 9. Right? Now these base are equal. So this base is gone. So equalize 2 plus x is equal to 6x minus 9. Now minus 10 it will become plus 2 plus 9 and plus x ये हो जाएगा x 6x minus x. तो 11 is equal to 5x. Then x is equal to 11 upon 5. So the answer is, it is an improper fraction. So 2 1 upon 5 is the answer. 2 1 upon 5. Now this is completed the 2A exercise.